Alex. Today we are very happy to announce the result of drawing competition which was held on 8/7/2026. So we are going to announce the winners of that particular group for class 6, 7 and 8. We got 3 winners over there. So one by one we'll be calling them. So I request our Principal Maharaj to hand over the prizes. Third prize goes to Chetan Maibam. Third prize goes to Chetan Maibam. I request Principal Maharaj to hand over the prizes. Second prize goes to Gyan Prakash Chakraborty. Gyan Prakash Chakraborty. And first prize goes to Lucky Unna. Lucky Unna. Thank you, Maharaj. Now I call Nansunanda to hand over the prize for Group G, that is class 9 and 10. So I call Nansunanda for the third prize. It goes to Nanal Pukrambam. Nanal, please come over here. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call Sir Amarji to hand over the prizes. Second prize goes to Nongthongbam Tolin Maitai. Tolin, please come over. Thank you, sir. Now we request Premananda sir to hand over the prize. So first prize for Group D, class 9 and 10, goes to Phirom Sinam. All of you guys, guys, and praise them. Thank you all.